Hi guys, welcome to Shiva Sai Software Training Institute. So in this video, we'll be looking into Terraform variables. See, variables are basically for usability, right? So, just consider I have a name value, for example, it's the name is Sai, and somewhere, so in the code, I have 100 lines of code where in 90 lines of code, we need to use it, the value of Sai. So instead of directly assigning it, so we use something called as variable. So I'll keep name equal to Sai. Okay. So now I will just use this one in that 90 lines of code, right? I'll just give name there. So this variable, this is now our variable. The value of the variable is Sai, and during the execution, this will be replaced by the exact value of the variable, which is Sai. Okay. So here in the Terraform, let's see, this is method 1 of implementing variables in Terraform. Okay. So this helps us to enable flexibility and reusability. All right. So let's check now. So if I want to deploy security rules, just consider, for example, I have a security group within which I want to add ingress rules, two ingress rules, one of allowing incoming 80 and another of incoming 8080. So for this reason, I'm directly highlighting, updating the values here. So instead, right, let's make use of variables here from Terraform. Okay. So what we need to do, we need to create any file. So the standard is variables.tf. Okay, let me go to my Terraform server. So here, just to showcase you guys, right? So this is my target location. My Terraform server is, okay, 1 second. Yeah, this is my Terraform server. All right. So Terraform -version. So it is available here. So here I already have the code. I'll be sharing this. So my Terraform server is in Mumbai and my target location is Sydney. So in Sydney, I just have one security group. So now we'll be creating new security group with two rules, showcasing you the implementation of variables here. Okay, so there will be new group here. So let's talk about that later. So primarily we are focusing on variables. So go to variables dot, you can just simply cat it, variables.tf file. So here, this is how you basically define the variable. So if you see here in variables.tf file, so variable is the keyword, this is your variable name, open, assign a value and close it. So variable, this is variable 2 app2 port, and this is the value of the variable. So it is already there here with me, correct? To save them, I have actually copied. So now this is okay. So now let's go to the exact code. Okay. So here I have the code in place. We are creating a Terraform, we are creating a security group on AWS using Terraform. So we pick the corresponding item to deploy, which is security group, and this is the local identifier, custom requirement SG security group, and name, subdescription, tags I have added. And now here, so in the security group, we need to add, right, inbound 80 value, something like this. Okay. See, without variables, we need to hard code the values like this. This is hard coding, right? Correct. So if I use variables, now see what happens. So I'm actually deploying an ingress rule, namely rule 01, and to under this security group we need to add the rules, right? So AWS security group, which is this dot custom requirement SG, which is this. So I have given this here, and the ID, the ID will be created after creation of this. It will be auto picked by Terraform, nothing to worry. From anywhere it can be accessed, right? And this is the from port. Now the usage of variables is like this: var dot app1 port. So this will pick this value now 80, where here and here also, but I think, yeah, let's do this. This is var dot app to port. So here and here. So it is already displayed, right? Fine, cool. Deploying a security group within which we are adding rule 1 and rule 2. Rule 01, rule 02. Ingress, you know, ingress rules where we are making use of the variables, all right, which are defined here. So just copy this. I think it is already there here. Okay. So SG rules. The same code is available here. Okay. Fine. Let's see. Now what happens is there will be a security group with this custom requirement SG, within which I'll be having rule 01 with what is the port 80, right? So this is the one. Yeah. So 80 here, this will be replaced by 80, this will be with 80, this will be 880, this will be 880. Okay, we are implementing, utilizing the variables in a feature given by Terraform. So let's do that. So give Terraform init. It is already done. My provider is already configured. So using AWS configure. So okay, that was shown in one of the previous video in Terraform count argument. You can check it out. So yeah, all right. So now, so Terraform plan. So this should ideally show us what will happen in future. Yeah. So here, if you see the values, these values are replaced with the actual values defined in variables.ef. So 80, 80, correct for rule 1. And 8080 for rule 2. Yeah, let's deploy this. So give apply -hyphen auto -approve. Yeah. So go to the cloud. We should see another security group created with these values deployed. So here the intention is how we are using these variables, making use of these variables, and instead of not avoiding the values hard coding, we are telling Terraform to dynamically pick the values from the variables section, right? So yeah, so this is deployed, 3 added, right? Let's see, go here, just click on refresh, it should show, yeah, this is the one. So select here. So now if you see, we have 80 rule and 8080 under inbound, which is ingress. All right, fine. Okay, so this is method 1 of utilizing your variables. There are other 3 methods. We'll be explaining those later. All right, thank you.